Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something super exciting. We're going to be unboxing the new Colourpop mystery box. And they have a few different sizes. I believe this is the big boy here. And this was sent to me from Colourpop just as a part of PR, not sponsored, but it was sent to me, just to be clear on that. Yeah, so this is the large box, you guys, and I haven't even untaped this yet. Now, for the large box, the big guy here, this will run you 89 bucks, which isn't cheap. It has a full value of over $200, $200.50 to be exact. They also have a medium box for $49 and a small box for $29. Now, these are truly mystery boxes. I might get something different than you got, even if we get the same size box. It's not going to be standard across the board, so I think that's interesting. I'm excited to see other people's mystery boxes. But yeah, I came here relatively barefaced because I thought we could play around and check out what comes in the mystery box today. So if you guys are ready, let's open this up. And discount codes will work on the mystery boxes, you guys. You can use my code, Shay. It is an affiliate code, so don't use it if you don't feel comfortable. Check and see if your favorite creator has an affiliate code that you could use. But codes will work on the box, which is pretty cool. So you're kind of getting discount on top of discount. Oh, I love that the box is, oh, cute. Here's the box here. Colourpop, all these little question marks. It's a mystery. I'm excited. I haven't done a mystery box opening before. Oh my God, this is a lot of stuff. What? Are you serious? There's Animal Crossing stuff in here. Wow, you guys. Okay, so here's just the first look at my box before we go product to product. A lot of good stuff in there. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go product by product, take it out, take a look at it, and play around with some makeup. So just the first thing that I'm grabbing here, this is a Jelly Much eyeshadow. Oh, this is from the, not in Bloom collection. Was it a garden variety collection? I can't remember. This is in the shade Sagaro, if I'm not mispronouncing it. Loved this packaging, by the way. Sorry, I look a little sick. I have a little bit of a cold. I think I have a sinus infection going on. This was one of my favorite Colourpop packagings. Look at that. So this is one of the beautiful Jelly Much shadows. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love this color. I already know that I do. Okay, next I have two pressed glittered shadows. This one, if you know me, you know I love this type of color. It's a super antique-y, kind of bronzy, and this is called Cuteness Glitters. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Literally. Ah, we're gonna have to use this today. I can't resist. I love this. Now, just FYI, they came in these types of things, so you're gonna need a little palette to stick them into, a little magnetized palette, or just go ahead and keep it in here, which I'll do because I'll be honest, I'm lazy. And this is a gorgeous kind of pinky purple. This is Hi. This is fun. I'm having fun already. Next up, we have some Animal Crossing goodness. Little ASMR for you. That was fun. No way! We have two of the little pressed powdered palettes, you guys. La Belle of the Ball and What a Hoot! Of course, as I said, both from the Animal Crossing collection. I mean, you already know I'm an Animal Crossing nut, except I really abandoned it for Stardew Valley hardcore. Can we get a Stardew Valley collection? Actually, no. I think that kind of goes against, like, the core of what Stardew Valley is. You know what I mean? Anyway, yeah. So this is the little Able Sisters palette. I remember doing eye swatches of these. We loved this one. And then, of course, we have What a Hoot. Gorgeousness. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love this palette. Both are gonna go great with my new glitters, by the way. I can't believe it. I didn't know what to expect. I've never done a mystery box situation before. So far, I am gleefully surprised. No way. Oh my God. Oh my God, there is so much in here. Okay, the next thing I have here is a Super Shock Cheek. This is in the shade Wisp. Wisp. Wisp is a beautiful pearlized bronzy gold. I don't want to touch it. I want to give it to my best friend because I know these tones work for her and they don't work for me, and I don't want to just dip my little pudgy fingers in it, you know what I mean? And let it get ruined. She can have this and she can use it and she can love it. So remember, if you get anything you don't particularly care for, it's not really your color, you know, that's kind of the risk with mystery boxes, but give it to a friend, donate it. Project Beauty Share that you guys reminded me of recently in my latest or second latest video where I talked about what to do with canceled makeup. Project Beauty Share, amazing organization. I will link that down below. Spread the beauty love, you know? Next up, we have a cream shadow. I love their cream shadows in a pot. This one is Moonbeam. I'm trying to remember. I can't remember what Moonbeam look like. I remember loving these. Oh, it's so pretty. Moonbeam is a delicious puppy brown. Isn't she gorgeous? We will be using this. I have not used one of these in the longest time. This is their cream gel color liners, and this is in the shade Spring Day. A gorgeous, like, robin's egg type of blue. Wait, do the robins lay blue eggs? Robin egg? Easter egg? I don't know. An egg. Next up, we have two mascaras. These are the Act Natural Defining Mascaras. I got them. I got them. I'm kidding. These are in black and brown. So yes, two mascaras, but two different kinds. Or two different shades. And I don't remember if I've used these yet, and I don't think I have. Ooh, those are nice wands. Okay, cute. So I did not put on mascara today because I was like, there might be, wild card chance that they'll throw mascara in here. Oh my god, I love my curtain bangs, but they are getting annoying. We have a cream gel liner and a liquid liner. The liquid liner, is a yellow. What is this? Make Love. I love yellow. Is yellow not everyone's happy color, but it's such my happy color. And then the cream gel liner, oh my gosh, is a lime green. That is bright. That is Electric Daisy. Two lippy pencils in the shade Ashton and Field Day. I feel like I remember Field Day, but I don't remember Ashton. Oh, these are gorgeous colors. It's everything I love. Here is Field Day, very MAC Whirl, if you will, or a little darker. And then Ashton, which is a gorgeous stony nude, a real stony mauve-y nude. Fantastic. And we're not done. Oh, no, no, no. We have an ultra blotted lip and an ultra glossy lip. I gotta start with the ultra blotted. They're my favorite formula. Doozy! I love Doozy. It's kind of like that strawberry type of red, or like a rusty strawberry, I would say. It is gorgeous. So gorgeous. And then the gloss is irreplaceable. Oh, I like this because I wouldn't have chose this for myself. I typically wear like a darker gloss. So this is fun. And it's a beautiful creamy gold color right there. And next we have two lippy sticks. We're getting like all the lip formulas here. This is exciting. In the shades Poison and Trust Me. Two of their very popular shades, by the way. So Poison is a matte. Perfect. Falls right around the corner, people, and we are all set. Look at the color. So pretty. And then we have Trust Me, which is one of my favorite reds of all time from Colourpop. It is just a delicious, fiery candy apple red. Ugh, the candy apples. No, I'm kidding. Dance moms die hard over here. But it is a true candy apple red. Kathy would just die for this. Any other Dance Moms fans out there, or am I just kind of talking about stuff no one cares about? Probably. And then we have a ton of stuff from Fourth Ray Beauty. We have the Avocado Body Milk, which I've not used. I'll be honest, I haven't used a ton of Fourth Ray Beauty. Scratch that. I use a decent amount of Fourth Ray Beauty body products. Not so much the face products. I like my skincare, you know what I mean? I don't like to, just because I'm so acne prone, I don't like to just, I don't know, get wet and wild with my skincare, but that doesn't make much sense or really fit the conversation. But I'm very particular in what I use just because I know I break out like crazy always. Yeah, avocado body milk. I've not used this. This is cute though. A little body milk. I wonder if I could mix that with my tanning droplets that I use. Then we have, these are so good. The Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. This is in the shade Paloma. Perfect little size too. You don't need, they have the big sizes of these sometimes. You just don't need it. Or I don't know, maybe if you're J-Lo, I don't need it that big. This is the perfect little size. Gorgeous, kind of coppery. And then we have the Fourth Ray Beauty Balancing Moisturizer Booster Face Milk. I'm sorry. Watermelon face milk. These I'm going to save and give to my sister. I have these already and I already don't really use them that much, so I don't want to drop them or touch them or anything. But yeah, face milk there. We have, another face milk. Okay, a lot of face milks here. Papaya face milk. This actually I did use a few times and it smells amazing, just saying. I've just never figured out a way to fit in the face milks into my skincare routine. And the very last thing is another face milk. This is the turmeric one. Illuminating and moisture boosting. A turmeric's great for you, so that might be nice for some people. Right there. Right there! So you literally, this has been crazy. You get a little bit of everything here. Like, What? This is a fun mystery box. Okay, so we're gonna throw some of this stuff on now. All right, we're getting started. I'm taking my What a Hoot palette. I'm sorry, this was one of my favorite palettes from the Animal Crossing collection. I know it's boring neutrals, but I just want to do a pretty look. Not that you can't do a pretty look with purple. You know what I'm saying. A classic glamour look today. Bumping into Celestial. Gosh, let me know, are any of you guys still playing Animal Crossing out there, or did you kind of sadly get bored with it too? I was their biggest supporter in the world, and just, I felt like, you know, I don't even want to actually have this discussion because it's a heated one on Twitter. People are very mean to the Animal Crossing Twitter account. People are very let down. And, you know, I will forever be grateful for Animal Crossing because it really was a crutch for me during quarantine. Something I could just, like, throw myself into, which is probably the least healthy option I chose for ways to improve yourself during quarantine. I developed an Animal Crossing addiction. As I tend to do in all aspects of life, I have an addictive personality, hardcore. For example, I sat down to film this mystery box video and I went on Etsy and I bought like 5 other mystery boxes. All of a sudden, I just had to see what other mystery boxes were out there. So let me know if you guys want me to unbox more mystery boxes. Literally none of them were makeup related. So just kind of doing that lightly as a little base color. Now I'm going to go into the shade Whoo! I'm sorry if this makeup look isn't like super unique and amazing. This video kind of was just more about unboxing the box, but I do actually want to use the makeup. And yes, I did already own these Animal Crossing palettes. I broke down and I kind of gave most of my collection away to someone who really wanted it, who couldn't get it at the time, and I felt bad. Everyone should be able to enjoy makeup. Anyway, so I did give most of mine away to a friend who really, really loves Animal Crossing and really, really wanted it. And so I'm definitely excited to get this palette back. And we're gonna go a little more into Who and pop this all over the lid. I know I already talked about this. I don't want to rush it, but I'm really excited for fall makeup and holiday makeup, and I'm ready. I'm ready. How are you guys doing? How was your summer all in all? I'd really love to hear. Did you go out much? And I don't want to turn this into a political thing. Please don't leave any comments about whether quarantine was dumb or good or bad or, you know, because people are going to disagree and I want us to get along over here. I just want to know, did you enjoy your summer? I didn't do shit and it was pretty enjoyable. But I'm a homebody. I don't have kids, so I understand, you know, people's wants and needs are different. I hope you and your family were able to have a nice summer. I'm not putting this on super thick because I'm going to put glitter right on top. I just kind of want to have a base underneath so that no skin kind of shows through, you know what I mean? If there's a crack in the glitter or whatever, I want it to have something nice underneath it. I love brown all over the eyes. It's amazing. So let me take a little bit more of that brown shadow and I'm just going to run it on my lower lash line. Give a little pop there. I feel like I look so dead. I'm rewatching The Crown again right now. Oh, it's such a good show. I tried to get into that show that everyone is talking about. I'm gonna spell it because in case there's any kiddos in the room, but SX Life on Netflix. Everyone was telling me to watch it. I watched like half of the first episode and I was like, this looks like the trashiest Lifetime movie I've ever seen. Like it didn't interest me. Oh, she used to have fun and now she's a mother and a wife and things are more boring. Yeah, okay. I'm not impressed. Wait, why do I keep going back to this? We still have to do mascara. I can't find my lash curler. I am in need of a serious organizing day in my life. Like for realsies. We're gonna do black mascara up top and the brown mascara on the bottom. I'm taking the Act Natural. I can't find my lash curler, so I won't be curling my lashes, and that's gonna drive me crazy. Can't even find my heated lash curler. Where are my lash curlers? I can never find scissors or lash curlers. A nice few coats of it. Oh, I like this mascara. I was nervous. I know people love the big mascara wands, but they terrify me. I always try to go for a smaller one. It's why I love the Charlotte Tilbury mascara push up or something like that. It's my favorite mascara in the world because the wand is so perfectly small, and these bigger ones, just because I don't have the biggest eyes, like I feel like they kind of get everywhere sometimes, but this is nice. I'm not making a mess. And I'm prone to making a mess. Super good. Now I'm taking the brown. I'm really wondering if we should go all out and put on that yellow liquid liner. I can't stop thinking about that liquid liner. Would it completely throw this look off or would it be fun? I don't know. I'm very curious. Okay, we are taking the yellow liquid liner. Oh, I didn't give it a good shake. Oh no, I think it's mixing. It's still good. It's just mixing with the brown shadow a little bit. Or possibly the mascara on my eyelid. That's probably it. That's all right. Just a few coats that will shape it up. That's cute. I swear to you, and I've said this multiple times, I have had Hamilton songs stuck in my head since it first came to Disney Plus. It just on rotate through the whole soundtrack. I'm telling you, it has never left once. All right, finally, we're going to take the cuteness glitter. I just want to do a light frosting of this on the eyes. Frost yourselves, New York. In my last video, I made a comment about Frost Yourselves from How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. And so now it's all I can think about when I see glittery things. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. I'm one who normally, I'll admit, I pile on the glitter and I'm trying to refrain myself. I'm trying to do a nice light dusting and just have it all be super pretty. Like the sky, you know, the night sky. I love this glitter. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm getting carried away. I'm getting carried away. I can't stop. I can't put down the glitter. Ah, Shay, stop it. Shay. That is so beautiful. Love it. And we barely used it. Amazingness. I love this makeup. I added a little, well, a lot of blush. I didn't put any on in the beginning of the video because I didn't know if blush would come, but mine did not contain blush, so I added Colourpop's Out of Sight blush. This is one of my favorite corals. It is so, so beautiful. And I believe that was from the Poppy collection. For lips, I was gonna do one of the darker ones, but I'm not ready for it yet. So I'm going to take Field Day lip liner. Oh, this is such a pretty color. What a nice box this is. Or this was a nice little look we put together with a bunch of misfits, you know? And on top of that, of course, we're going to use the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Irreplaceable. It looks like it was made for these eyes. I feel like such a 70s goddess in this very moment. Just right in the center. And that is it for this little mystery box unboxing slash makeup tutorial, or just playtime. I hate the term tutorial anymore. I'm so much more about the makeup playtime because I'm just playing. I'm not trying to give a tutorial on literally anything. I don't know what the hell I'm doing over here playing around. That's basically my life motto. I'm kind of just playing around. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't trust me, okay? Don't trust me with any serious decisions or serious how-tos, unless it's how to complete Stardew Valley in 1 year's time. I mastered that relatively quickly. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching this video today. If you wanted to check out the mystery box, it's up now. Like I said, they have multiple sizes. Don't think you have to buy the $89 box. And you can use discount codes, affiliate codes on the boxes. So check with your favorite creators, see if they have a code. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!